A group of UNM students say it's their money, but they say they won't have a say in how it's spent. They say the president isn't giving them a chance to give input on where student fees should go. But the president says it's all a misunderstanding. News 13's Catherine Mazzone is live at UNM with more.
Jessica, the Student Fee Review Board is made up of students who weigh in on student fees, where they should be spent. Now, they don't have a say on everything, but they can weigh in on make recommendations on fees like athletics and libraries. Until now,
we are very surprised by this decision.
Student body leaders say they were caught off guard when they say UNM President Bob Frank decided to give them less say in where some of their money goes. They say they thought they had reached an agreement with the president.
We had a conversation with President Frank, and we had an agreement.
A Student Fee Review Board provides some insight to the Board of Regents on where they want their money spent, on everything from career services to public events. But the controversy is over athletics and libraries, which account for about 18% of all student fees. Some say they shouldn't pay as much to support sports that are losing money. President Bob Frank says he was concerned they didn't have enough time to listen to everyone from the community when talking budgets. So he scaled back the input from the Student Fee Review Board.
Budget process is going too late in the year, and we don't have enough time for the kinds of conversations we need with regents, and most importantly, we don't have enough time for the budget conversations outside of the university, which is the most important constituencies, because we need to talk to the community, the legislature.
Now President Frank says there will be other opportunities for students to weigh in.
The most inclusive process of student voice at our university, and the president is basically saying he wants to get rid of at least part of that.
But the president says that's not the case. He's put together a new student cabinet he'll meet with twice a semester.
But I'm going to get more input from more students. So I think that the concern that they're not going to get input is wrong. I'm going to get more input from more students about this.
Now, President Bob Frank says even though he's not going through the Student Fee Review Board for athletic or library fees, he says he will meet with students earlier in the year to get ideas. Jessica, back to you.
Okay, Catherine, the graduate student body president says she hopes President Frank attends their council meeting tomorrow to discuss the issue.